So there are three systems which are giving us this rainfall activity. First one is a well-marked low pressure area over southeast Arabian Sea. So there is a well-marked low pressure area over southeast Arabian Sea and Lakshadweep area off Kerala and Karnataka coast that is persisting over the same region at 8:30 hours IST of today. Today, that is 19th October. This system is likely to move northwestwards and intensify into a depression during the next 24 hours. This is about the Arabian Sea system. Then there is a cyclonic circulation in the lower levels over Comorin areas and South Kerala and neighborhood. The third one is this likely formation of a low pressure area over southeast Bay of Bengal around 21st October. So a low pressure area is likely to form over southeast Bay of Bengal around 21st October. It's likely to move west-northwestwards and intensify into a depression over the central parts of South Bay of Bengal and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal during the subsequent 48 hours of 21st October. There is a as of now, regarding the Bay of Bengal system, the forecast is that it is likely to become a depression around 23rd October. Subsequent intensification will be monitored and then updated to the media as and when. Because it's very early to say its movement. So we expect some coastal districts to get heavy to very heavy rainfall. During the preceding 48 hours, we will be able to pinpoint where it is likely to give more rainfall.
What about Chennai? Because tomorrow is Diwali also.
Yeah, Chennai, of course, we have given local forecast as moderate rainfall in one or two places of Chennai. Maximum temperature is likely to be around 27 to 28 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature around 24 degrees Celsius. Fisherman warning is very important. So first we have advised fishermen to return to the coast by the morning of 21st October. Whoever is out in the deep sea, they have to return to the sea. And then because there are both the systems in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, we have given warnings for 5 days because there can be gusty winds ranging from 35 kmph to 45 kmph, gusting to 55 kmph. The areas are the sea areas of Kerala, Karnataka, Lakshadweep, Maldives, and South and Central Arabian Sea. As far as Arabian Sea is concerned, Bay of Bengal, it is the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, the Gulf of Mannar, Comorin areas, and South and Central Bay of Bengal. Yeah, for the few days for the north coastal districts, we are expecting some rainfall activity to increase in the next 3 days. But for tomorrow, we are expecting only moderate rainfall for the northern districts of Tamil Nadu.
October till December, how is the rainfall?
Kerala, Tamil Nadu, I can say. Yeah, for Tamil Nadu northeast monsoon, the long range forecast has been to be above normal. The normal value is 44 centimeters for the 3-month period. We expect it to be around 50 centimeters. For October alone, if you see, as on date, we have received 14 centimeters of rainfall. That itself is 58% above normal for October for Tamil Nadu.